how to improve your tech gadget lifespan, like how to really keep it longer. This is something it happens a lot, and in something you buy it new and then it breaks down very quick. Now, let's say we're not talking about things that are poorly made or they're produced or they are manufactured. We're talking about genuine parts or genuine tech. Let's say you buy a mouse for your computer and how you can protect it. First of all, you use it correctly. You use it kindly. That's something I can give you on the very beginning, but really no. So whenever you try to use the gadget, you're gonna use it only for that purpose. You're not mixing things together. You're not using mouse for something else. So you're gonna use it only for that computer. And as long as it's the dry, not wet, in a stationary area, that's very better. But if you move it around, like somewhere else and then somewhere else, it'll break down very quickly. It'll be worn out. Now I have a camera, Canon M50. I've been using this for over many years, over 3 or 4 years, and it still keeps running. Probably I have shot over 100,000. That's the lifespan. That's I think the life, like it can only capture 100,000. 100,000, I think, yeah, that's it. Not 100, 100,000. So, but it still keeps running and it captures the video. And I have a mouse, same thing. However, so this is Canon stuff like that. You gotta be kindly using it. Try to avoid breaking it. Don't mix it up with the others. Keep it in a box, stuff like that. But the main thing of keeping the tech lifespan or whatever is to use the power correctly. So the hydro or the electricity on it is very important. So back when I was at my home country, my hydro or electricity was really not a good thing. It was breaking down and it was not consistent. And I was really I was really worried, and sometimes the adapter was really going wrong and it was blowing up. But now when I'm in a stable, and since I travel to many stable countries, I have never seen a click on an electricity flow and things go right. But still, don't underestimate dust. Dust can sometimes minimize its life. You gotta keep it and clean it on time and maintain it. However, here's one thing that I learned. As long as it's running, you gotta keep it. That's my opinion. As long as it's running, don't touch it, just use it. Don't be too techie to clean it. It's not like a car to oil change every 5,000 kilometers. What I believe is, as long as it's working, don't clean it. I mean, don't clean inside. You can clean the surface and the interface and the physical outer space. But the inside, when there's a lot of electric parts, don't touch it unless it's not working. So I had a computer, I still have a computer. So it was running, but whenever I was plugging in, it was not really actually plugging in. It was not charging. So what I did, I had a dust sucker. So I used that and I sucked with that tool, I sucked the dust out of my computer laptop. And then quickly, all of a sudden, it started working. So that's what you should do. I think this is my kind of experience on how to keep your tech gadget going for a lifetime. Now, you might have your own opinion, which is okay. Everybody is allowed to have their own opinion. And I hope my opinion can help you to save and use and keep your tech gadget as long as you want.